Hello, I am Amit and we are learning artificial intelligence and machine learning. So we are going to discuss about the module 9 and which is deep learning in a NLP, that is natural language processing. So let's start with the first concept, that is using neural network for NLP tasks. So deep learning has a transformed NLP by allowing model to learn complex language pattern automatically. Feed-forward neural network for text classification, recurrent neural network for sequence modeling, LSTM and GRU to solve vanishing gradient problem, CNN for NLP text classification, sentence modeling, applications like sentiment analysis, spam detection, name entry and recognition, language modeling like this. The key concept is word embedding, that is word to vector and globe. So dense vector representation, tokenization, embedding, modeling, output. So this is the step. First we tokenize the words, then embedding the words, then modeling and then output. Okay. Let's try to understand with this small example of this code. So let's do it. Copy the code and then we will learn it in the Python. Okay, so basically we have a program like this and we are going to execute these steps like one DNN custom operation warning, then word index, then sequence like 2, 4, 5. These are the sentence, then padded X and model somebody showing unbuilt embedding, then training output approach 1 to 10, accuracy 0.75, loss 0.6930, and then prediction output. So let's run this code. Okay, so it will take some time because TensorFlow will take some time to process. So let's try to understand. So your first step is one DNN custom operation warning. So here it will show the warning first, and this is not the error. One DNN custom operation are on, you may see slightly different numerical result due to floating point round off error. So it's still processing. Okay, so next step now is processing. One DNN custom operation are on, you may slightly different numerical result due to floating point round off error from different computation order to turn them off, set the environment variable. Okay, let's give some time because TensorFlow will take some time to So here, meanwhile, we can understand the code. So here, importing NumPy as NP to do the mathematical operation, then TensorFlow to import the tokenize the word, then TensorFlow to import pad sequence, then TensorFlow model import sequential. So this is the text we have. I love NLP. This course is amazing. I hate this movie, and this is a treble. So there is two kind of sentence here. One is positive and one is negative. So we are going to predict positive or negative result. We will tokenize first and then embedding. After that, train the model, then try a prediction, and then it will predict positive or negative. See this here. Here. So first step is do the one DNN custom operation. So this is not the error. After that, what is indexing? Index. So this is this means the digit 1, I means digit 2, is means digit 3, love is 4, and NLP is 5, course is 6, everything like this. It will give the indexing, then sequencing. So each list of digits for a sentence. So 2, 4, 5. 2 means I, 4 means love, 5 means NLP. So this indicates I love NLP. Similarly, 1, 6, 3, 7. So 1 indicate this, 6 indicate course, and 3 indicate is, and 7 indicate amazing. So this course is amazing. This way it sequence and each list of digits indicate the a sentence. Similarly, this is the sentence padded X. After that, model sequential, then epoch 1, 2, 3 train the model, and then it gives sentiment is positive. Okay, because we have positive. I love NLP. This is course is amazing. I hate movie. This is a treble. Okay. This way it predict positive or negative sentiment. Okay. After that, let's move for the next concept. So second concept is sequence to sequence model. Sequence to sequence model map one sequence to the another. Core of most NLP applications today. So architectures is encoder and decoder. So, under encoder, read the input sentence and convert into the context vector. Then generate an output sequence from the context vector. Application is machine translator like Hindi to English, or English to Hindi, or English to Chinese, French, any language. Chatbot like input query and output reply. Text summarization so that it can summarize the sentence. Number of sequence converting like 1, 2, 3 into the words. Time series forecasting. Speech to text. Whatever we speak in a remote control of some TV, it will directly convert into text. Or we have a Google. So there is a speaker option. We click the speaker and speak something. It automatically converts into the text. That is called speech to text. The limitation is context vector bottleneck, defaulty with long sequence and slow training. Let's try to understand it. Real life project. We are going to create a real life project where English, we type something in English and it converts into Hindi and Chinese language. So translator with using the TK GUI. So GUI is a graphic user interface. By using this graphic user interface, we are going to use this concept of sequence with NLP and deep learning so that we create an app where we type something in English and it will convert it to Hindi or a Chinese. Let's do it. So this is our code. We using import tkinter to create a user interface. After that, load translator model. So Hindi, helix model, and Chinese. Then tokenize, load like this translate function. So it will translate. After that, choose the correct model and tokenizer. So once we use this code, it will create an app where we can convert English language into the Hindi or Chinese. Okay, so these are the setups. Like it will show Hindi and Chinese, and the size of word is 12 and Arial, which is totally 20. Okay, like this. So let's try to do is copy this code. So this is using the sequence to sequence concept. Copy, and now let's remove this. Okay, then here. So here, same code I've already pasted here. Same code here. Import tkinter as a tk, and from tkinter import message box like this. So it will create a user interface. After that, model is Hindi and Chinese. Then tokenize the words. So the warning message like this: warning, please enter English sentence, or please select a language like this. So it's create a GUI window like graphic user interface where we can type the sentence in English, and it will convert into the English or Chinese. Sorry, Hindi or Chinese. Let's try to run this code. Wait for some time. Let's let it be processed. It will take some time. So it will take some time to process this code. So for this code, we have to install a library. Let's go and try to check this. Which library we need to install here? Okay, I pasted all the code here. I'm asking, give me list of live required for this code. The first library is tkinter, then install transformer, then pip install torch, then pip installs sentence piece, Keep digital transformer thoughts sentence please. After that, we will successfully run this code. So it's still processing. Give some time. So this program takes lots of time to process. Let's give some time. So these are the libraries we needed, like TK Inter for GUI, to create a GUI after the transformer. So use for translate model, then PyTorch to install required run marine empty model, then sentence keys required to tokenizer using marine model, and then TK Inter theme wait. No installation required. Final installation list copy paste. Okay, so now it's still processing. So once this process completed, we get a user interface like this. See, so here English to Hindi or Chinese translator. So select the language first. Okay, I want to convert into Hindi. Type the enter English sentence. Okay, so I'm going to type it. Like let's suppose how are you, convert आप कैसे हो. This is in the Hindi. Same thing if I want to convert into Chinese, just see. Similarly, if you want to convert into French language or any other language, we can create this code according to that, and we can easily convert this. Okay. Other things. Let's suppose where are you going? So, like this. फिर तुम किधर जा रहे हो? Something like that. Or my name is. Let's see. मेरा नाम something. Amit, it's not recognizing Amit, it's like limit Mera naam, but it's almost accurate. Convert this into Chinese like this. So this is a very good example of sequence to sequence. Okay, let's go to the note. So here sequence to sequence model, and here these are the things we can do with these concepts: chatbot, translator, summarizer, like this. Fine, let's move. close this app. Okay. Then, so next topic is attention mechanism. So attention allow model to focus on important words while generating output by attention, overcome sequence to second context vector limitation, improve accuracy for long sentence, help model find relevant part of input sequence. So type of attention is Bahudina attention. Bahudano attention allow decoder to look back at the encoder hidden state and decide which word in input are important for generating the text output word. And long attention. So long attention let the decoder focus on a specific encoder hidden state when generating each output word, similar to Baudanu, but it's use a simpler, faster, and scoring function. Self-attention used in transformer. So real life project, let's try to apply this concept for real life project, full Python code. So it's a grammar checker. It will check the grammar. So I'm going to copy this code. Copy. Go to the Python and okay. So grammar character.py. Fine. Already I have pasted this code here. Same code. Say import tkinter as a tk from tkinter. This is for creating a user interface where we can type some sentence and which it will corrected by this app, and then model name like this, load public grammar model name equal to Prithvida grammar underscore error corrector, then tokenizer, then model after correct English grammar using the grammar error corrector model, input text, input tokenizer, so this way, and then GUI function, then GUI design. This will design the user interface. So it will create a user interface where we can check the grammars in this code. Again, it will take some time because these are very big codes and it will take some time to run the code. Okay, let's check the libraries required for this code. Okay, let's open the chat GPT. Okay, give me list of TK enter for GUI, and then transformer to auto tokenizer and auto model for sequence to sequence. After that, torch, PyTorch, then sentence piece, safe tensor. So complete installation is pip install transformer, torch, sentence, and safe tensor. So once we install this library, we are successfully run this code, and after this completing of this processing, it will create a user interface where we can check the grammar. See this grammar error corrector. If I writing like this, I am running and walk. Are you running and walking? I am running and walking. See, I just create a mistake here. I am running and walking, but I write I am running and walk. So here grammatically it's wrong, but here it's corrected. I am running and walking like this. So this way we can use a grammar checker using this code. And after that, the fourth concept is transformer architecture. Transformer completely removed RNN, that is recurrent neural network, LSTM, that is long short term memory dependency. Key component of self attention, multi-headed attention, feed forward layer, positional encoding. Advantage is highly parallelized, handle long distance dependency well, foundation of modern large language model, then application of summarization, translation, question answering, chatbot, code generation. We can create these kind of uh, app or AI generated um, uh, app so that we can use it like summarization. It will summarize the sentence. Then translation, it can translate. Question answering, let's suppose we ask something, it will give some answer. Chatbot like chat GPT, and code generation, we can create a code. So multi-headed attention is image searching, meanings of like bank in a sentence are Ram sat on the river bank. So bank, there is so many meanings like bank of for money to deposit money into the bank, or bank of river like this. So heads focus on head 1, that is river, head 2 bank word, and head 3 set verb relation. Okay, and the last concept is overview of BRT and GPT model. So BRT is bidirectional encoder representation from the transformer. Use only encoder block, read text bidirectionally, pre-trained using mask language modeling, LMN, L, MLM, great for NER, sentiment analysis, text generation, question answering. The example mark sentence like this: I love dash mask model, so it's predicted NLP. So it will give I love NLP. Okay. Then GPT generative pre-trained transformer. Use only decoder block, read text left to right, pre-trained it with next token prediction. Great for chatbot, context generation, story writing, dialogue system, and summarization. So example of chat GPT style prediction is input like India is a developing country, and so it give output like India is a developing country and its economic is growing rapidly due to advantage of in technology, advancement in technology. This way it will give the prediction. So hands-on project like building chatbot or a text summarization. Let's see this. So option is chatbot sequence to sequence plus attention or GPT. So pre-processing training data, tokenizer and pad sequence, then build encoder decoder model, add attention layer, train and test dialog generation, deploy with Flask. So we are going to build a chatbot or text summarizer. So it will summarize the text. Okay, so let's copy this code. Copy, go to the Visual Studio, and here import TK enter as a TK, and then from TK enter import is called, okay, and okay, wait a minute. Okay, it's a chatbot. So we are going to create a chatbot here. So, whenever we use some chatbot, so it will automatically reply some messages. So let's suppose we have set this message to our model. Like if somebody say hi, it will say hello. How can I help you? Then if somebody write hello, hi, there is what I can do for you. Like this name, I am your NLP assistant. Bye, goodbye, have a nice day. Like this will reply to somebody. Ask the question like this. So you can set so many sentences. Most of the time, customer services are used like this. It will automatically reply. So it's a chat boot. So AI will automatically chat with the customer, their users. Run this code. See, this app is created. Now, if I type here like hi, so I say hi, hello, how I can help you? According to this sentence, see here, if somebody write hi, it will say hello, how I can help you. The same thing, hello, how I can help you. Second question is hello. If I say hello, so hi there, what I can do for you, like this. If I ask name, it says his name. I am your NLP assistant. And then if I say bye bye, goodbye, have a nice day. If I write something nonsense like uh, mm, who are you? Because we are not fit this sentence. Sorry, I didn't understand, like this. So this is a chat boot. We have created a chat boot. It will automatically chat with us and give some reply. After that, just create a text summarizer here so that it can summarize the text. If you give the long sentence, it will summarize it. So encoder, decoder, or T5 BART. So load dataset, use transformer, tokenize input and output, fine tune summarization model, evaluate with rough scroll, build a UI for summarization. So let's copy this code and create a model. Same code I'm pasting here. Import ticket ticket from ticket import message box for text. So import ticket from ticket import message box for text. So same code I'm going to paste there. So it will create an app where Whenever we put a sentence, it will summarize it. So let's run this code. It will take some time. If you want to check how many libraries is required, just copy this code and paste there. Go to the ChatGPT. Give me list of so tick enter for GUI transformer used to load the T5 model, then PyTorch required to backend from the T5 model, then tick enter is called text, then complete installation, pip install transformer torch like this, then this code will work. So still it's processing. It will create an app where we can put a sentence and it will convert into the summarize that sentence. Okay, let's wait for some time. Let it be processed. Okay, fine. Still processing. Okay, so the app is created here. Here, T5 text summarizer. If we write some text here, it will give the summary of that text. Okay, let's try this. Um, let's take a sentence from ChatGPT itself. Here, give me story about lion and a mouse. Okay, so it's created a story for us. Now I'm going to copy this sentence like this and paste into our this text summarizer model. Okay, now our AI model will summarize this sentence. Let's summarize it. See, it will give the summary of this sentence in bullet points. In bullet points. So lion wake up with a roar and cowed the teeny mouse under his huge paw, and the lion was stalking through forest when he got caught by the hunter. Like this, it will summarize the sentence. If you want to summarize some other sentence, that is also possible. So this way we can create this kind of summarization. Okay, let's summarize something else. Delete. Uh, I'm going to type something else like give me news for today's about cricket in details. It's already in bullet points. Let me copy this like this. Just paste there. Summarize. So we will give into the bullet points. Summarize this text. So this way we can create a AI model where we can easily summarize the sentence. Alright. So this is all about the NLP and deep learning concept. Deep learning in NLP. Thank you very much.